the realistic cosmology of Gong thought and quantum non-locality. Modern science stands before a remarkable question: how can two particles behave as if they are intimately connected, even when separated by thousands of kilometers? Quantum physics calls this phenomenon quantum non-locality. Quantum non-locality is a phenomenon in which entangled particles exhibit special, instantaneous correlations even across vast distances. This discovery presents humanity with a profound question: is the universe truly separated? Could the things we believe to be independent entities actually be interconnected at a deeper, fundamental level? Gong thought, proclaimed by the living Buddha, Medicine Tathagata, Yonghwa Maitreya Buddha, who came to the Saha world, addresses this identical question from an entirely different, transcendent perspective. When the wind blows, waves arise upon the ocean. When the wind ceases, the waves naturally subside and disappear. However, simply because the waves have vanished from sight does not mean the ocean itself has ceased to exist. Waves continuously appear and disappear according to conditions, yet the ocean, the underlying source, always remains. Through this analogy, the living Buddha, Medicine Tathagata, Yonghwa Maitreya Buddha, clearly explains the fundamental structure of existence and the universe. Visible phenomena may change across time and space, but existence itself never disappears. In his Gong thought, Gong does not imply emptiness or nothingness. While the Gong of Shakyamuni Buddha means a state of being void and empty, the Gong thought of the living Buddha, Medicine Tathagata, Yonghwa Maitreya Buddha represents the exact opposite: an eternal, unchangeable reality that is forever full and ever present throughout the universe. Therefore, all existence is always entirely full. Quantum non-locality reveals interconnectedness at the microscopic level of particles, whereas Gong thought fully explains the macroscopic interconnectedness and cosmic principles governing the entire universe and nature. Quantum non-locality poses questions in the language of science, while Gong thought expounds upon the universe in the language of existence itself. Yet, both ultimately lead us toward the same profound realization, returning to the core question: are we truly separate from one another? In Gong thought, utmost importance is placed on the radiant light infinitely emanating from the holy body of the living Buddha, Medicine Tathagata, Yonghwa Maitreya Buddha, who came to the Saha world, and the Eshnaisha light rising from the crown of his head. From the perspective of Gong thought, this sublime light is not merely physical illumination or a simple ray of light. Just as the sun shines upon the earth to sustain all living beings, the radiant light emanating from the body of the living Buddha, Medicine Tathagata, Yonghwa Maitreya Buddha, is the primordial light of life and the light of world peace that compassionately illuminates and guides all suffering sentient beings. Furthermore, the Eshnaisha light from the crown of his head is the light of reincarnation that allows humanity to return to the Saha world. Just as no life can exist on earth without sunlight, the radiant light of the Buddha is the absolute light that illuminates human life and the very source of existence. Here, we arrive at an intriguing and profound question: if quantum non-locality scientifically demonstrates that the material world is intimately interconnected, how should we understand the organic relationship between humanity, nature, and the macrocosm? The living Buddha, Medicine Tathagata, Yonghwa Maitreya Buddha, who came to the Saha world, clearly reveals the answer through the radiant light he has possessed since the very beginning, and through the absolute principles of nature and the universe. While science has only recently begun to discover the interconnectedness of microscopic particles, the Buddha's Gong thought proclaims the true reality of existence, that all things in the universe have been inherently connected as one from the absolute beginning. Science merely suggests the possibility that the universe is more deeply connected than imagined. However, Gong thought perfectly provides the ultimate direction on how human beings should live in alignment with the great cosmic principles within this interconnected universe. Quantum non-locality is a mystery of the material world newly uncovered by modern Science, whereas the radiant light of the living Buddha, medicine Tathagata, Yonghwa, Maitreya Buddha is the eternal symbol and reality of cosmic existence explained by Gong Thought. One is meticulously investigated within advanced scientific laboratories, while the other completely manifests and explores the ultimate meaning and principle of existence. Although these two fields appear to belong to different domains on the surface, they ultimately bring us to the same awe-inspiring realization. Is the universe truly separate, or has it always existed within a deep, magnificent interconnection that humanity has yet to fully comprehend? The ultimate truth remains the universe and existence are never empty. All existence is always entirely full within the cosmic realm of Gong Thought, perfectly filled with the radiant light.